morning everyone and welcome to Archery. Today is a beautiful day which is perfect to try out the arrows that we made in our first video. So we're going to be shooting these ones, see how they fly. It's going to be the first time shooting after a long winter without sunny days, so don't judge me. Now what you can see behind me is a tire. I'll just grab the camera, show you close. So basically what it is just a disposed tire, and I found this one to be quite a useful device just to kind of judge the deviation in any flight as you shoot an arrow. And then at the back I just have a stopping net, so nothing too fancy. I'm just gonna shoot the 6 of the arrows that we made and see how that goes. Well, that was the first try. Quite getting used to it, not too bad. The shaft of these arrows are quite heavy, so I can certainly feel that when I release the string. Some of them went very straight. Part of that is also I kept adjusting my thumb ring. It has been a while since I don't shoot, but I'm quite pleased with the result. I'm gonna have a second round, shoot the second round of arrows. Hopefully I'll get more used to it as well, see if we get a more straight path as it goes through the tire. Realizing some of the knots might have carved them a little bit too much. But right now I'm not aiming at anything, I just want to see how it goes through the tire. That was perfect. Quite pleased with the result. Of course, just need to get back into practice. But what we're going to do now is have some fun and see how they perform now aiming at something. Let's just have the right target for you. Okay, for our final test of our arrows, we're gonna try to recreate the classic challenge of shooting an apple on somebody's head. So of course no human beings are going to be harmed in this endeavor. Yeah, my model just fell. Anyway, I'll show you what I did. I need to move this a little bit forward. And basically what we have here, this guy Mr. White, for obvious reasons, and instead of an apple, because we don't like wasting food, we're just gonna put this tennis ball there. So let's see that we managed to just knock that ball off at 20 meters with our brand new arrows. Let's see how it goes. Today is a very windy day, so Mr. White has fallen 3 times already before I can shoot, so let's give it one more time. Okay, it took me 6 tries. Not so sure I'm totally pleased with the way I hit that ball, but I certainly didn't knock out the head and I didn't injure Mr. White. Not bad. I haven't been shooting all winter, so we'll call it a day. Other than that, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this and keep tuned for more videos. Subscribe if you haven't done so, and share the love. Bye bye. Have a nice weekend. Bye.